Good afternoon. This is Operational Manager Todd Nardini for TNW News LLC with your 5 p.m. Tropical Storm update for Tropical Storm Elsa from the TNW News operational floor this afternoon on the 4th of July. Please stand by for the Tropical Storm Elsa readout from the National Hurricane Center.
Elsa expected to move across Cuba on Monday. A tropical storm warning is in effect for the Cuban provinces of Camaguey, Granma, Guantanamo, Holguin, Tunas, Santiago de Cuba, Ciego de Avila, Sancti Spiritus, Clara, Cienfuegos, Matanzas, Mayabeque, and Havana, Jamaica, and the Florida Keys from Camaguey westward to the Dry Tortugas. Tropical storm conditions are expected in portions of eastern and central Cuba tonight. Tropical storm conditions are expected to begin in the warning area in the Florida Keys late Monday. A hurricane watch is in effect for the Cuban provinces of Camaguey, Granma, Guantanamo, Holguin, Tunas, and Santiago de Cuba. Hurricane conditions are possible in portions of eastern and central Cuba and tonight. A tropical storm watch is in effect for Cayman Brac and Little Cayman, the Cuban province of Artemisa, the Florida Keys from east of Craig Key to Ocean Reef, Florida Bay, and the west coast of Florida from Flamingo northward to the Anclote River. Tropical storm conditions are possible in the watch areas in the Cayman Islands tonight, and in the upper Florida Keys by Monday night. Tropical storm conditions are possible in the watch area along the west coast of Florida beginning Monday night. A storm surge watch is in effect for the west coast of Florida from Bonita Beach to the Suwannee River. Interests elsewhere in the Florida Peninsula should monitor the progress of Elsa. Additional watches and warnings will likely be required tonight or early Monday. For storm information specific to your area in the United States, including possible inland watches and warnings, please monitor products issued by your local National Weather Service Forecast Office, www.weather.gov. For storm information specific to your area outside of the United States, please monitor products issued by your National Meteorological Service. At 5 p.m. EDT, the center of Tropical Storm Elsa was located about 15 miles, 20 kilometers west of Cabo Cruz, Cuba. It's moving to or northwest near 14 miles per hour, 22 kilometers per hour, and this general motion is expected to continue through Monday, followed by a turn toward the north-northwest on Tuesday. On the forecast track, Elsa will continue to move near or over eastern Cuba this evening, and approach central Cuba tonight and early Monday. Elsa is expected to move across central and western Cuba and head toward the Florida Straits on Monday and pass near the Florida Keys early Tuesday. Elsa is then forecast to move near or over portions of the west coast of Florida on Tuesday and Wednesday. Maximum sustained winds are near 60 miles per hour, 95 kilometers per hour, with higher gusts. Tropical storm force winds extend outward up to 90 miles, 150 kilometers, from the center. Some strengthening is expected before Elsa moves over Cuba, followed by some weakening while the center moves over land. Slight re-strengthening is possible after Elsa moves over the southeastern Gulf of Mexico. A storm surge will raise water levels above normal tide levels by as much as the following amounts in areas of onshore flow within the hurricane watch and warning areas. Southern coast of Cuba, 3 to 5 feet. The combination of a storm surge and the tide will cause normally dry areas near the coast to be flooded by rising waters moving inland from the shoreline. The water could reach the following heights above ground somewhere in the indicated areas if the peak surge occurs at the time of high tide. Bonita Beach, FL to Suwannee River including Tampa Bay, 2 to 4 feet. Flamingo, FL to Bonita Beach, FL, 1 to 3 feet. Ocean Reef, FL to Dry Tortugas including Florida Bay, 1 to 2 feet across portions of Jamaica. Storm total rainfall of 4 to 8 inches with isolated total amounts of 15 inches are expected through today. This rain may lead to scattered flash flooding and mudslides, some of which could be significant. Across portions of Cuba through Monday, rainfall of 5 to 10 inches with isolated maximum amounts of 15 inches are expected. This will result in significant flash flooding and mudslides. Across the Cayman Islands through Monday, rainfall of 3 to 5 inches is expected. This rain may lead to scattered flash flooding. Rainfall from Elsa will impact portions of the Florida Keys, Florida Peninsula and coastal Georgia Monday through Wednesday. Amounts of 2 to 4 inches with localized maximum amounts up to 6 inches will be possible, which may result in isolated flash, urban, and minor river flooding. A couple of tornadoes are possible across southern Florida Monday afternoon and Monday night into Tuesday. The next completed advisory will be issued by NHC at 11 p.m. EDT with an intermediate advisory at 8 p.m. EDT. www.hurricanes.gov.
This has been Operational Manager Todd Nardani. You can find the intermediate update and the 11 p.m. You can find the intermediate update on our social media pages. We will resume updates at 6:35 a.m. tomorrow morning. You can remember to follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok for the latest information. And you can find us by searching us on Google, TNW News LLC, Aurora, Illinois. Have a good holiday, and I'll see you back here tomorrow with another Tropical Storm Elsa update. This has been a video update of Tropical Storm Elsa for 5 p.m. CDT.